Hi guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here. As you can see behind me, we have a brand new Land Rover Defender X Dynamic. We've done a lot of work to this car. Let's have a walk around and show you exactly what we've done. So as you can see, starting from the front, we've fitted the wide arch body kit. These arches come in a plastic texture from Land Rover, so we've rubbed them down, high build primed them, and repainted them in the Narvik black to give the car a lot more of an aggressive look. So as you can see as well, we've fitted some monster 22-inch Riviera wheels on there. Zooming in on the brake caliper, we've had them off, we've repainted them in a gorgeous metallic orange colour, which really works with the Santorini body colour. We've fitted some monster mud flaps on there as well. This car's going to be used off-road, so it's going to protect the paintwork even more. We then fitted on the side steps as well, and then repainted the side cap of the side step, again in Narvik black. So moving around to the back, as you can see, lovely spoiler on the back there, give the rear end a bit more flair. Moving down the bottom here, we've fitted the recovery tow loops as well. I can't imagine this getting stuck anywhere, but if it does, it can be rescued. But to finish off this custom project, the car's been up to our sister company, TBC Detailing, where we've completed our new car protection package. We completed a 2-stage paint enhancement to remove any top swells. We've then applied our 8-year ceramic coating to the full exterior, including all of the glass as well, front and backs of the wheels and the calipers.